Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change location in Honor of Kings. The first thing I'd like you to do is to navigate to the region change tool. So open Honor of Kings and log into your account. Tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of the lobby screen. And that's going to walk you right into the settings menu. From the settings menu, check the left corner. You're going to find basic, so select basic, and once you're in the basic screen, go ahead and look for player support, and on the player support you're going to see the tools option. Tap tools. I'm not going to tap on it because my app needs space to function properly. So once you tap on the tools option, I'm going to show you what to do next. Tap changing region. Sometimes they go to change region. Within the change region screen, select the new country or server that you want. Tap next, then change, and tap confirm when prompted. Make sure your account is offline or logged out during the process. The system will log you out. Pause for about 5 minutes, then you'll be able to log in again on the new region. Once the switch is complete, here's what to expect. You may be inactive or unranked in ranked play for 7 to 30 days, depending on your region and game version. Chat channels, event content, and availability of heroes and skins will adjust to the new region, and the only language or content region specific in the server may differ from your prior one. The option to change region again will not be available for 180 days. Now go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.